third day in Uganda today with Adam here from Bow Hunting Consultants and from the States. And we finally got close to a buffalo bull that we really were looking forward to getting an arrow into. And yeah, we just shot it, we took some pictures, and now the guys are dividing the meat and giving out the meat to the locals, which is always why we do this kind of thing. Conserve the buffalo, conserve the areas, and also help the local communities. Adam, thank you for trusting us with this hunt. It's been an excellent hunt in the last 3 days. We shot 5 or 6 animals now with the bow. It's always a challenge, but it's a great hunt, so thank you so much.
Appreciate it.